everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm sharing two very easy and pretty lemon themed farmhouse DIYs. They were very easy and simple to make and very less time taking, and I had a great time creating both of them. So without further ado, let's begin the video. For the first DIY, I took a large wooden plank and styrofoam sheet cut into two circles. Next, with the help of a ruler and a pencil, I sketched a little cycle image on the wooden plank, and then the two circles being the wheels of the bicycle. Next, I took yellow chalk paint and started painting the circles that I'm going to make into half cut lemons, and I started painting the outer rims of the circles with the help of a thin brush to make them into half cut lemons. I also painted the frame of the bicycle with the help of black acrylic paint, and for the seat I used grey acrylic paint. I also wrote a little quote on one side of the plank with the help of yellow chalk paint, and it says, "Every day is a fresh start." I really like this quote, and I think it really goes with the lemon theme and the freshness theme. I made details on the coat and also on the lemon that I made earlier with the help of a brush marker. The black outline really makes the yellow pop up on the coat and also on the lemon. Next, I glued the lemon shaped wheels to the place for the bicycle, and then I completed the bicycle's frame with the help of a black marker. To add in more details to the wooden plank, I glued quilling strips in yellow color to the plank like so. And finally, I made a little bow out of twine and burlap fabric, and I glued it to one end of the wooden plank. I glued some greenery, lemon flowers, and lemon decor on one corner, and then on top I fixed this bow. I flared it up a bit and then fixed it on one corner and trimmed the edges that were coming out, and the wooden plank decor is almost complete. And this is how my wooden plank decor with the lemon theme turned out. The coat is really nice to look at when you start a fresh day, and it works great for summer decor too. I'm really loving it, especially the vibrant yellows and the little details on one side and the beautiful coat. This video is part of a challenge hosted by Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY. She is absolutely incredible and amazing in creating beautiful DIY arts. I've linked her channel in the description box below, and I've also mentioned the playlist so that you can check out all the other creators who have created lemon themed DIYs also, so you get a numerous lemon themed and farmhouse style DIY decor inspiration. Don't forget to check out both the links in the description box below. And for the second DIY, I made a small centerpiece for my coffee table, and for that I took a small fishbowl kind of vase which is made out of glass, and then wrapped it with jute twine, and on top I glued some lemon flowers like so. I made the vase a little more dressier with the help of a small jute bow that I made, and I glued small stickers made out of foam, which are in the shape of lemon wedge. They look really cute, and I glued these two lemon wedges on top of the glass bowl. And then I took a square dish and I covered it with a dish towel in the shape of lemons. This is entirely covered with lemons, and I glued it with the help of hot glue, and this is how it came out. Once the glass jar was complete, I filled it on sides with the slices of green lemon, And then I decorated it with white flowers and lemon decor. You can see small lemons that I have here, and also these quilling strips in yellow color. They look really cute, and some blue flowers. So this looks very pretty, and it was so easy to make and so simple and elegant as a coffee table decor. It looks so fresh, so inviting. I hope you liked today's video and liked both the DIYs that I made for lemon theme. Let me know in the comment section below which out of the two was your favorite. If you liked today's video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff coming really soon. Until then, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.